Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So I had asked you guys on Facebook what was something that you wanted to see in my next upcoming video, and a lot of you wanted to see a dewy natural look. So this is the look that I created today. I kept it very soft on the contour. Of course, our highlight always needs to be popping. And on the lids, I kept it very gold, a bit of copper, and I did take my crease just slightly deeper so we can get some definition and a little bit of depth. We didn't do anything bright on the lips today. We kept it very soft, very golden. Overall, I'm really happy with the look. I think it came out pretty bomb. So if you want to see how I created this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my eye with the Smashbox Photo Finish Eye Primer. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot. This is perfect for what we're going to do today because it's got a really nice golden pinky undertone to it. And I'm going to put that on with my Sigma E55 brush. Now I'm going to take this product and I'm just going to place it on the lid of my eye. I like this brush because it's smaller, it's more dense, it's more compact. So it's perfect for packing on product. And I'm basically just taking this product right to the crease of my eye, not in it, but just underneath it. So now I'm going in with a shadow from Quo in the shade Spice. And I am taking my M441 brush. So I'm taking a bit of that product and I'm going in my crease, and we're going to bring this shade from one end to the other. I love this color because it's got such a nice warm undertone to it. And just really make sure, guys, you're really taking the time to blend it. So now I'm going to go in with a JH31. So I want to slightly deepen my crease just a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in with another shadow from Quo, and this is in the shade Mystery. And I'm going to take this color and I'm just going to put it in the deep part of my crease. Now I'm just going to go back in with my 441 brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that spice color again and just smoke out around my brow bone. And just taking leftover product and transferring it over to the other eye. Okay, so I want to give my eyes a bit more pop. So I'm going to go in with the Melted Chrome shadow from Essence, and this is called Copper Me. Going in again with my E55 Sigma brush, I'm going to take some of this shadow and place this on the lid of my eye. Honestly, guys, when I found this eyeshadow and the pigment that comes off it, it blew my mind. And I think it was at a price point of $2 or $3. That's Canadian. And you can't go wrong. So this color on its own looks really good too. But that's not how I am. I like more pop. I like my eyes to really stand out. So I'm going to go in with the Milani Strobe Light in the shade Sun Glow. This is a highlight. But honestly, guys, I've been using it for everything. I've been using it to enhance my cut creases. I've been using it as my highlight. Sometimes I'll even take it and put it just over top of my gloss. So I'm going to go in with a JH41 brush. So I'm going to take this product and I'm going to pat it on my lid. This is just going to soften the copper down just a little bit and just give us a really golden finish. So now I'm going to go back in. I'm going to take my Sigma E55 and I'm basically going to take that copper shade and place it on my outer and inner corner. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna create a deeper coppery gold finish. I'm gonna go back in quickly here and just enhance the center of our eye with the Sun Glow highlight. Now just taking my JH32 brush and going in with the shade Mocha. I'm just gonna go back into my crease and give it just a bit more depth. Then just going in with my M441 and smoking it out. Now I'm going to go in with Lash Sensational by Maybelline. So I wasn't going to put on any lashes today because I really wanted to keep this look as natural as possible. But looking at my lashes and expecting a little bit more out of the mascara, I can't walk around like this. So we're gonna put lashes on. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with Ardell, and this is going to be double 113. To prep the skin, I'm gonna go in with a product called Embryolisse. This is going to prime and moisturize. I'm just gonna pin my hair out of the way so we don't get foundation all over it. So cute. Okay, so to get that golden dewy look, I'm gonna go in with another product from Quo, and this is Illuminating Drops. And I'm just gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. I'm so glowy. Oh my god, so dewy. Now we're just gonna go in with a bit of concealer, and this is Can't Stop, Won't Stop from NYX. I haven't actually tried this yet, but I heard a lot of people raving about it, so I was like, hey, why not? Let's give it a shot. So we're just gonna place that under our eye. And we're just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Highlighting Concealer. I love this stuff. This is good just even on its own. It just brightens up the under eye so nicely. I'm just gonna blend that out. So next I'm gonna go in with a foundation from Marcel. And this is a light to medium coverage. Looks like I have little chicken pox. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Honey, and this is by L'Oreal. And we're gonna use this guy to contour. I've been finding contouring with creams is just so much more of a better blend. I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. So to bronze, I'm just gonna go in with a product from Physicians Formula, and this is Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. Have you guys actually smelt this stuff? It smells like the beach, sunscreen. I could sit here and sniff it all day. So good. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just gonna go over all the areas that are contoured, just patting on that product and giving a bit more depth. Next, we're going in with our blush. This is another product from Milani. This is in the shade Romantic Rose. I dropped it, but it still works. And I'm gonna go in with a JH06 brush, and we're gonna place this on the apples of our cheeks. So that same highlight that we put on the center of our eye, we're now gonna highlight all the areas on our face with. And I'm gonna go in with a Quo fan brush. Lately, I've just been loving a fan brush. I'm not sure why. I just find it just distributes everywhere a little bit better. My M501 was my go-to for the longest time, but I don't know, there's just something about a fan brush. I like the finish so much more. And I noticed that after I washed this particular brush, it just kind of fattened. Which, I mean, I'm not mad at. I'm okay with, actually. It just actually works better after I washed it, to be honest, than it did before. I'm just kind of bringing a little bit of that shimmer slightly under the eye. I'm just ever so softly taking it under the eye, just to give it a bit more of a pop. Above the brow bones, in the center of the head, slightly around to the temple area, down the nose, tip of the nose. I mean, I'm really liking the look of everything so far. We are very glowy, we are very dewy. I'm feeling it, I'm in it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a lip gloss by Quo. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a name on it, so I can't tell you what color it is. So I'm just gonna place that over top. So now I'm just gonna go in and do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the Quo shadow in the shade Mocha, and I'm going in with a JH40 brush. So I'm just gonna take a bit of that product there, and I'm gonna smoke out underneath. So now I'm just gonna take the shade Spice, and I'm going to blend that out with the Mocha. And just going back in with my JH41 brush and my Milani Sun Glow, and we're just going to put that in the corner. So I don't want to go back in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I didn't like it. So I'm going to go in with a product from Doll 10. This is Effort Lash, and we're going to just do our lower lashes with it. So I'm gonna go in with a little pop of color in my waterline. This is the shade 320. It's a Maybelline eye pencil. Now I'm just gonna set my face with MAC Fix Plus. And there you go, guys. This is the finish that we are left with. I think it came out pretty awesome. We're soft, we're glowy, we're dewy, we're all those wonderful things that we want to be. Yes, Daddy! But for real, guys, I really hoped you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!